You what?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Stop mocking me over there. And today I have just a short and simple announcement for you guys. So for you guys who don't know, all of the Flight 1 gear has a lifetime warranty on it, which means that if you break any Flight 1 electronics, whether it be the ESC, flight controllers, my motors, if you break any of those components, you get 50% off your purchase of the next one. No questions asked, ready to roll. And so because of this awesome warranty program, what we went ahead and decided to do is that we have decided to cover the Dolphin 1 frame with that warranty package. But it is a little bit better. With the Dolphin 1 warranty, anyone who owns a Dolphin 1 or anyone who purchases one in the future will get the lifetime warranty with this frame. And the way the warranty works is if you break any component on your frame, whether it be the arms or the bottom plate or the camera side plates or the top plate, any component at all, on your first time using the warranty, it is a flat $5 fee to replace any component, no questions asked, $5 shipped to your door, and any subsequent component after that you break is only $2.50. That is by far the cheapest warranty system on any frame out there right now. All you have to do is send an email to Flight 1 support with a picture of the broken part, and then you will be able to get that exact same part replaced for $5 for the first time or $2.50 for any time after that. The Dolphin 1 is already one of the cheapest professional frames out there, coming in at only $75, and now has the amazing warranty program backed by Flight 1. But yeah, that is it, guys. I really just wanted to announce this. This is something that we've been talking about for quite some time now, and we finally got all the details figured out and we are ready to roll out the official warranty launch. So if you guys want to get a Dolphin 1, there is a link in the description below. If you have a Dolphin 1 and want to go ahead and use the warranty, go ahead and send a picture of the broken component to Flight 1 support, and for only $5, basically just to cover shipping costs, you can get those components shipped to your door. I hope you enjoyed the little announcement. Just wanted to get this quick little video out there for you guys. Make sure to smash that like button if you like the new warranty system. Hit subscribe if you haven't, and make sure hit that bell so you can see anytime I post a new video. Make sure to check out that Patreon link in the description below if you want to help support me and my channel in making these videos. Make sure to leave a comment on what you guys think of the warranty system, and I'll see you guys next time. You guys wouldn't think I'd leave you without any flight footage, so let's go ahead and take a look at that.